I do think this is a historic moment in the sense of it's the first time that the internet and Wall Street, they've had this healthy tension for a couple of years, even a couple of decades, and it's the first time Wall Street blinked.
Assets invested in these crypto ETFs and ETPs globally have increased last year. The world of cryptocurrency is nothing short of a financial revolution, a domain where innovation, transformation, and disruption have become the everyday norm. Yet, amidst the ever-evolving landscape of digital currencies, there exists a remarkable milestone that has unfolded over the course of the past year. Cryptocurrency exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and exchange-traded products, ETPs, have in this span witnessed a surge in assets invested on a global scale, a monumental leap that has cemented their status as an increasingly attractive investment vehicle. As the digital currency market continues its relentless momentum and matures, these crypto ETFs and ETPs have emerged as a pivotal bridge between the traditional financial realm and the fast-paced, ever-shifting world of cryptocurrencies. The crypto ETF and ETP revolution. To grasp the significance of this burgeoning phenomenon, we must first take a step back to appreciate the dramatic evolution of cryptocurrencies. Originating with Bitcoin over a decade ago as an enigmatic and speculative asset class, the crypto world has now blossomed into a global financial powerhouse. This meteoric rise in popularity has paved the way for the emergence of crypto-centric ETFs and ETPs, marking a transformative chapter in the annals of cryptocurrency history.
Smart money and the institutions are in. Now it's going to be the bag holders that get left with.
What I think you're missing is this is a limited supply asset. We don't have a lot of limited supply assets. And there are a lot of people that believe in this like a religion, so they're not selling.
That's right.
And so
70% won't sell. So where does it come from?
And so you're going to drive price up as you get more adoption.
A record-breaking surge in assets. Data freshly harvested from the financial fields reveals an astonishing surge in assets invested in crypto ETFs and ETPs on a global scale, a tidal wave of financial enthusiasm that has propelled the total assets under management (AUM) for these investment products to reach unfathomable heights. This remarkable ascent is, without a shadow of doubt, a testament to the burgeoning acceptance of cryptocurrencies within the hallowed halls of mainstream finance and investment, where skepticism once reigned supreme. Institutional involvement and regulatory developments. What propels this exponential growth in crypto ETFs and ETPs forward? One of the prime movers behind this meteoric rise is the heightened involvement of institutional investors. Traditional financial juggernauts, including hedge funds, asset management giants, and family offices, have increasingly set their sights on digital assets. They've come to recognize that the crypto realm offers a tantalizing prospect for diversification and the pursuit of handsome returns. Furthermore, regulatory developments unfolding in pivotal financial hubs have contributed significantly to legitimizing these innovative investment vehicles. The landscape of cryptocurrency investments, long shrouded in a haze of regulatory ambiguity, has begun to clear. With newfound regulatory clarity and frameworks coming into place, institutional investors find themselves navigating through a sea of new opportunities with a confidence not seen before. This, in turn, has prompted them to allocate substantial capital to crypto ETFs and ETPs. Bitcoin dominates, but altcoins gain traction. In the kingdom of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin reigns supreme, its dominance unchallenged. However, as investors journey deeper into the cryptoverse, they increasingly seek to diversify their portfolios by venturing beyond the confines of Bitcoin. This is where the altcoins, or alternative cryptocurrencies, come into play. A growing number of crypto ETFs and ETPs have started offering diversified baskets of various digital assets, presenting investors with the tantalizing opportunity to spread their risk and potentially capture higher returns. Global reach and investor access. The awe-inspiring surge in assets invested in crypto ETFs and ETPs transcends geographical boundaries. This isn't a surge confined to any specific region. Instead, it has swept across the globe. Investors from the farthest corners of the world are now finding themselves drawn into the enticing world of cryptocurrency investments. These investment products have transcended borders, providing investors from all walks of life with unparalleled access to the cryptocurrency market. What's more, this access comes with the convenience and familiarity of traditional financial instruments.
I think you've seen quite a lot of progress made, really, the last couple of weeks. Even yesterday, we saw some back and forth between the Commission and the issuers on the S1s. So I think that's good sentiment.
Implications for the crypto market. As we reflect on the rapid growth in assets invested in crypto ETFs and ETPs, we must ponder the profound implications this holds for the broader cryptocurrency market. Beyond the sheer numbers, this surge signals a transformation in investor sentiment. What was once a speculative realm, characterized by wild fluctuations, has now evolved into a structured, diversified approach. This evolution, we dare say, may herald a new era in the world of cryptocurrencies, one marked by increased price stability and reduced volatility. However, the significance of this surge extends even further. It speaks to a broader shift in the investment landscape, one that has seen cryptocurrencies shift from the fringes into the mainstream. This shift has been largely driven by institutional interest, further propelled by regulatory developments. The burgeoning acceptance of cryptocurrencies as a legitimate asset class is perhaps the most profound implication of this surge in assets invested in crypto ETFs and ETPs. The potential for market evolution. As the crypto ETF and ETP landscape continues to evolve, the implications extend beyond price stability and mainstream acceptance. This surge in assets invested may well be the catalyst for the next wave of financial innovation. With institutional investors increasingly embracing the crypto realm, fresh avenues of growth are being explored. One potential avenue lies in the realm of financial products and services tailored to crypto assets. As the AUM in crypto ETFs and ETPs continues to climb, financial institutions and fintech innovators are exploring new ways to offer secure custodial services, trading platforms, and diversified investment products to cater to the growing demand. This development could reshape the very fabric of modern finance, blending traditional and digital assets seamlessly. Diversification and risk mitigation. As investors diversify their portfolios through crypto ETFs and ETPs, they are also actively mitigating risk. Cryptocurrency markets, known for their inherent volatility, can be tamed to some extent through diversified investment vehicles. By holding a basket of digital assets, investors reduce their exposure to the extreme price swings that individual cryptocurrencies are known for. This, in turn, can make cryptocurrencies more palatable to a broader range of investors, further expanding the market. Educational imperative. The surge in assets invested in crypto ETFs and ETPs also underscores the pressing need for comprehensive education. As more investors, especially those from traditional financial backgrounds, enter the crypto space, understanding the intricacies of blockchain technology, digital assets, and investment strategies becomes paramount. Education will empower investors to make informed decisions and navigate the crypto market with confidence. The surge in assets invested in crypto ETFs and ETPs over the past year is more than a mere statistical anomaly. It is a harbinger of a sea change in the world of cryptocurrencies. This development not only offers investors a convenient and structured gateway into the world of digital assets, but also signals a maturing crypto market. With institutional interest on the rise, further regulatory developments on the horizon, and innovations continuously reshaping the crypto financial ecosystem, the journey of digital currencies has only just begun. For investors and enthusiasts alike, this surge represents not just an investment trend, but a pivotal moment in the ongoing narrative of cryptocurrencies. It is a moment when the financial world stands at the precipice of change, a change that promises to redefine how we invest, trade, and interact with digital assets. In this brave new world of finance, where tradition and innovation dance hand in hand, the surge in crypto ETFs and ETPs is but one chapter in a story that promises to be nothing short of a financial epic. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.